Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about Christian Medical College Vellore, which is located in Tamil Nadu. So today I'll tell you how to fill the application form of CMC Vellore. The application form has been released for all the medical PG and diploma courses. Entrance exam for the Group A, Group B will start from the second week of May 2021 as estimated. So today we'll be talking how to fill the application form. As we know, eligibility is very important. Before filling the application form, we have to check whether we are eligible or not. So, sorry, I would request you to go to the website and check your eligibility level, uh, eligibility criteria, and whether you are successfully passing through crossing all the criteria which are given or not. If you are matching all the criteria which are given by the CMC Vellore College University, then you can go to the admission page. The link of the admission page would be given in the video description. You can go over there and redirect the link to the official website. You can see on the screen this is the admission page as it's written over here. You can view or your result as well. Okay, so here we are. We can see that BSc nursing courses by College of Nursing. There are various category. You can go through the category fitted. But right now we are talking about the medical PG courses. So we have to go over here. You can download the admission bulletin. You can sign in and apply slash view whichever you want. If you want a temporary login ID which you have taken, if you forgot about that, you can go over there and redirect that. Here you can see candidate registration. You have to click over here. These are some instruction given, some bulletin point which you have to read and go through very carefully. After that, here we'll be seeing before apply online, before the applying for your university. Applying in the university, you have to check all the bulletin points very carefully. Try not to miss any point because it is very important. And you can see over here in the red letter it's written, it means that is a mandatory point which you have to focus on, that you have to upload your photograph as well as signature. Along with that, if you get interrupted while filling the online application form, you can re-log in to the same page at any time before the final submission. Here it's written in a very bold capital letters that for payment details, please refer to the bulletin. It means before the payment detail, you have to refer it, guys. Please do not just read it like or ignore this page. Try to read all the instructions which are provided over here. After that, you have to click on apply online. You have to write your name over here, which gender you are from. You can see this indicates mandatory fields, you have to fill them. It's written over here also. So yes, you have to person, and remember, only write those email ID from which you can verify your admission process. Same goes for the number also. You have to put that date of birth which you remember. I don't mean you remember. I mean which have been filled in your 10th or 12th result which you gave during your boards. Use that date of birth only. After that, you can register yourself. Let's show you how. So it's written over here. Have copy pasted my temporary login ID to sign in with your date of birth to complete the application. Okay. So यहाँ पे, oh sorry. So here you will write about the application login ID which have been sent, which have been given to me while registering myself, and the date of birth. Okay. Let's see my login ID. Okay, great. I'll sign it. Oh, sorry. I forgot about this. It's wrong. Okay, now the OTP has been sent. Okay, not yet. If the OTP is not sent, you can click on the tab it's written over reset. So OTP 4, you have to write it over here. After that, you'll be logged into a new page. You'll be redirected over here. You have to write all the information about your parents, your house, your number. Of course, give alternative numbers because you might not know when there would be clashes or there might be some problem occur in your phone or your number, anything. So try to always give another, alternative number. You have to fill all the necessary details over here. Here also you can see all the mandatory details which you have to fill. After that you'll go and go for submit and go next. After when you'll go submit and go next, you have to upload your picture along with your photograph, sorry, the photograph of your signature. After that you have to deal with the payment you are going to do. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this video was of a great help, and I would request you to rather suggest you to please subscribe this channel, as this channel will give you all the updates regarding various competitive exams, board exams, along with the government job exams. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to fill the application for CMC Vellore, you can go to the video description and redirect yourself to the official site. Thank you.